no matter what Michael Lowry did.
Thank you, Taoiseach.
It pales into
Thank you,
insignificance.
Taoiseach. Your time is up.
In terms
Deputy
of what
Alan
members
Kelly.
of your movement
Thank you.
did.
Thank
Please,
you.
no.
Taoiseach,
I would
your
ask you,
time is
Deputy
up.
Doherty,
Your
and I would
time
ask
is
Deputy
up.
MacDonald.
Deputy Alan Kelly. You're into Deputy Alan Kelly's time now, Taoiseach. I'd ask Taoiseach, take your seat, please. Your time is up. Deputy Alan Kelly. Deputies, please.
Taoiseach,
Deputy Kelly. Deputy Kelly, your clock is running down.
Taoiseach, how can you...
Taoiseach. Taoiseach, you have... Taoiseach, please. Deputies.
You might stop the clock, Councillor.
I'm not stopping the clock.
Okay.
You work away, Deputy, because
Right,
your time is limited.
Taoiseach, genuinely, how can you stand over people being taken into the Garda College in Templemore without being vetted?
Everyone in this House wants us to get more Gardaí as quickly as we possibly can, get them trained, get them out on the street to increase policing. I mean, that's the whole objective of people going into Templemore. The precise arrangements, I'll engage with the Minister for Justice. I'll raise the issue that you've raised with me, and I'll ask the Minister for Justice to resign.
Thank you, Taoiseach.
My honest view, I think vetting is important, but
the
it's
Social
overstated.
Democrats, please. Deputy
What does vetting
Sinead
actually
Gibney.
mean?
Taoiseach, resume
What does it
your
actually
seat. Thank
produce?
you.
It's quite limited, actually, in what it does. But by God, there's backlogs everywhere.
Deputy Sinead Gibney. Deputy Kelly, have respect for your colleague whose time you're taking up. Deputy Sinead Gibney. Taoiseach, please stop behaving like a child. Deputy Gibney.
Taoiseach.
This back and forth, it's not out of order. When I hit the bell, I ask you to resume your seat when your time is up. Deputy Sinead Gibney.
Taoiseach, Meta.
Well, then don't do
multinational.
it. Deputy
Taoiseach.
Sinead Gibney.
Taoiseach, the multinational tech company Meta.
I haven't yet, but what we seem to have this morning is a playground. So I'd ask everybody to conform and have respect for the members whose time you're taking up. Deputy Sinead Gibney.
Taoiseach,